Hey everyone! How's it going? My name is Henry, and in this video, I'll share everything you need to know about Mitolyn before you decide to buy it. I also have some important warnings, so make sure to watch this video until the end to avoid losing your money. First important warning. Be cautious about where you purchase Mitolyn. It's only sold on the official website. To make it easy for you, I've added the official link in the video description and pinned it in the first comment. Now, let's get into my review and whether Mitolyn really works. What is Mitolyn? Mitolyn is a natural dietary supplement designed to boost metabolism and support weight management. Backed by clinical research, it targets mitochondrial efficiency, the key factor in fat burning and energy production. How does Mitolyn work? According to Harvard scientists, people with a slow metabolism often have low mitochondrial levels. On the other hand, leaner individuals have more mitochondria, helping them burn fat efficiently. Mitolyn's unique purple peel formula, containing ingredients like maquis berry, rhodiola, and amla, helps increase mitochondrial production, allowing your body to burn fat faster and more effectively. Key benefits of Mitolyn: boosts metabolism, helps burn fat more efficiently. Increases energy, keeps you active throughout the day. Curbs appetite, reduces cravings and supports healthy eating habits. Enhances mental clarity, ingredients like L-theanine sharpen focus. Supports overall health, helps maintain balanced blood sugar and blood pressure. Mitolyn's natural ingredients. Mitolyn is made with premium, natural ingredients like maquis berry, powerful antioxidant for fat oxidation. Rhodiola, supports energy and stress reduction. Amla, enhances metabolism and digestion. Schisandra, aids in endurance and weight loss. Is Mitolyn safe? Absolutely. Mitolyn is manufactured in the USA in FDA-approved facilities, following strict GMP standards. It's made with 100% natural ingredients and has no reported side effects. How to take Mitolyn? For the best results, take one serving in the morning with a glass of cold water. Avoid taking it at night to prevent sleep disturbances. Mitolyn's 90-day money-back guarantee. Mitolyn comes with a risk-free 90-day money-back guarantee. Try it for 3 months, and if you're not satisfied, you'll get a full refund, no questions asked. But remember, Mitolyn is only available on the official website. Avoid scams and ensure you get the real product by ordering from the official link below. Click the link in the description or the first comment to order now. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.